3 a.m. on July 27, an Eastern Airlines flight over Washington was told that an unknown object was in its vicinity. The crew could see nothing unusual. When they were told that the object had moved directly behind their plane, they began a sharp turn to try to see the object, but were told by National Airport's radar center that the object had disappeared when they began their turn. At the request of the Air Force, the CAA's Technical Development and Evaluation Center did an analysis of the radar sightings. Their conclusion was that a temperature inversion had been indicated in almost every instance when the unidentified radar targets or visual objects had been reported. Project Blue Book would eventually label the unknown Washington radar blips as false images caused by temperature inversion, and the visual sightings as misidentified meteors, stars, and cities. In 2002, Class told a reporter that radar technology in 1952 wasn't sophisticated enough to filter out many ordinary objects, such as flocks of birds, weather balloons, or temperature inversions. The reporter added that UFO proponents argue that even then seasoned controllers could differentiate between spurious targets and solid, metallic objects. Class disagrees. It may be that we had two dumb controllers at National Airport on those nights. Class added that the introduction of digital filters in the 1970s led to a steep decline in UFO sightings on radar. In his book, The Report on Unidentified Flying Objects, author Edward J. Ruppelt wrote that radar and control tower personnel he spoke to, as well as some Air Force officers, disagreed with the Air Force's explanation. Michael Wertheimer, a researcher for the government-funded Condon Report, investigated the case in 1966,